Cedar is your online platform to the sixth form college. You can access Cedar through the college's website, and now you are a student you can also access it through My SFC. Your username is your student ID number and your password will have been sent to you via text message. This is your home screen. From the home screen you can navigate the different areas on Cedar using the taskbar. The first being your personal details, including your contact details and information you gave us at enrolment. It is easy to update your contact details. Complete the Update Details form and click Submit. This is then automatically sent to the Business Services team in college to update your information. You can access the bursary application form on Cedar. This can be found on your home screen. Simply click the link, complete the form and submit the application. If you have any questions, visit the bursary desk on the ground floor LRC. You can also view your college timetable on Cedar. All conversations with staff at the college will be recorded on your pastoral log. This can be found in the Curriculum and Achievements section on Cedar. You can also view your prior achievements, i.e. your GCSE results on entry, and results of any assessments you have completed throughout your time at the college. Your attendance is vital and will be monitored by college staff. You can view a summary of your attendance and also record your absences independently. Exam information is also published on Cedar. This includes any mock or actual exam timetables and any mock and exam results. Your progression is extremely important to us. The Planning Ahead section in Cedar allows you to record work experience, detail future plans and create your personal statement. Remember to visit the college's Futures Zone. We have staff dedicated to support your next steps. Finally, active surveys will be available for you to complete during your time as a sixth form college student. These surveys will appear on your home screen, but you can also access them via the taskbar. If you have any questions or queries about Cedar, please email cedar@stokesfc.ac.uk.